Hello, welcome to another small video. In this video I was about to edit my vlog, and I came across this thing. I thought I will share it to you guys if you are using Premiere Pro for editing. So if you see, the volume is really loud. I hope you can hear it. I'm just gonna play it. So it's really loud. Yeah, it's like windy outside, very loud. So suppose if I wanted to reduce the volume, so what would I do? And the quickest and easiest way is to just right click on the audio line, and then if you click on audio gain, okay, this pop-up will come up, and all we need to do is just press -5, and then we try again. Let's see, it's gone down. So let's see, let's play again. It's already a little bit down, so I think I need a little bit more down than this. So I will stop here. Again, I'm gonna right click on this audio bit and go to audio gain again, and if we add -5 again, let's see, and let's see how is it now. So it's already -5, and then -5 on top is altogether 10 now. So if we just see, that's really nice looking for, and yeah, that's what I needed. So that's all it is. So it's a really quick tutorial, so I thought